Okay, now in the previous lectures, we have changed our header here to have the different kinds of links here. And currently we are getting some warnings here. So in this lecture, we're going to fix things a little bit. We just need to remove our imports here that we are not using. And I also searched to the documentation of React Bootstrap. And as far as I can see, we can use any element type and a custom element inside our component, NavLink component here. So we wouldn't want to use the link like that, but rather we would want to provide to the NavLink to be used as link from Gatsby. And there we would want to provide our toLink to home. And we would just remove the link that is inside here. So let me just make that look better. And as you can see now, our link has changed to be with the gray CSS here. So let's go ahead and change this to the other links as well. So type as link to about, and let's remove that. And let's just copy this and let's change this to contact. Okay, remove this and let's auto format it. So this is a problem for us. How do we fix it? We would need to apply some CSS to our body. So we would want to apply that in our global CSS and import it back in our Gatsby browser.js file. So let's go ahead in our global CSS here and remove the HTML, and let's type body, and inside of the body let's give it a minimum height of 100 VH, the position to be relative, and we want our margin to be 0, and we also need our padding bottom to be the same height as our footer. So let's go back. We want padding bottom to be 60 pixels if I remember correctly. Let me check. Yes, okay. So now we have our global CSS here. We would want to import it back in our Gatsby browser.js file here. So let's type import and let's go ahead and find our styles global CSS. And there we have it. We have fixed our footer and it stays at the bottom. So this is it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one.